Today topic infix to postfix expression. Here this is the expression a plus b star c minus d and this expression having parentheses. Okay. Next, I want to convert infix to postfix. Why? Because system not support infix expression for storing. That's why we convert infix expression to postfix. Then only we can store the expression. Okay, first symbol stack postfix. Okay, first we can scan the expression from left to right. Okay, in this expression first left parenthesis will be occur, then it will be push on to the stack. Okay, after that a is a operand directly written in postfix. Okay, after a plus is a operator, so we can check stack is empty or not. Okay, stack don't have any operators, only parenthesis will be pushed, so plus is pushed into the stack. Okay, postfix only a will be there. Next, after plus b is a operand directly written in postfix expression. Next, right parenthesis. Whenever right parenthesis occurs, we can pop the in between left and right parenthesis. So, plus in between left and right parenthesis. So, we can pop left parenthesis plus and right parenthesis. But we can only write plus symbol on postfix. We cannot write left and right parenthesis. Okay. Okay. After that, stars operator is there. Star is the operator. So we can push into the stack. Before pushing the star symbol, we can check stack is empty or not. Stack is empty. So we can directly push into the stack. After that, left parenthesis occurs and we can write in stack. Next, C. C is a operand, so directly write in postfix. So AB plus C. Okay, next, minus. Minus is the operator. We can check stack is empty or not. Stack having star left parenthesis. So we don't need to priorities. So we can write in stack. Okay, next, D is a operand. We can write D in postfix expression. Next, right parenthesis will be occurs. So we can pop in between the left and right parenthesis operators. So star minus will be there. So we can pop my left parenthesis minus and right parenthesis. Okay, only we can write minus only, and left and right parenthesis will be popped, but we cannot write in postfix. Okay, last and finally, expression will be ended, but in stack star will be there. So we can check stack is empty or not, but star will be there. So we can write star symbol directly in postfix expression. Okay, this is overall about a plus b star c minus d infix expression converted into AB plus CD minus star postfix expression. ఓకే, మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.